Rahul Gandhi ubadiu MP Lok Sabha ubalong unong yalam barat ba jong sang Kongres Hari India ha ka jingwan yu pejat bat ka jingyat kejat Hari Bhoi District kablalong ha ka arp tarik ukulang kot arjar arp sau ha ba jingkeran ha ka jinglang kabla penlong hamadan paham sim nongpo ulai thu khana sa ki hajar ngut ki pajba ki balwan ban skap ya ki jingkeran jongu bola yo ban mat ya uso turun ubang bat bosyam ubadi haru surok da ka wei galong kemi ka badan lang bat ikon rit jongka kabadi so turun harut surok bat ong ba uneu so turun ubami nang de jela udi betiang tam na plengi so turun hak perthai barok awai ban ha papan kut halor kane ula pen pau ye ke jing sukhya ba kamdon ka lat klanti ba ke jing thiang bat ke jing siam jong neu so turun nang ne jaka syam la poi se ki we pat kiri jong ka perthai.
Before I conclude, I'd like to leave you with one thought I had.
Shua bangan penkut ngakwa abang pen snow yupi iwe jing perkat ibangadam.
Today, when we were driving here, we stopped and tasted some of your pineapples.
Mene abang iwan sane nila sange bat nila bam kat ko kat le usok turun jong kejela jopi.
There was a daughter and a mother who was selling the pineapples on the side of the road.
Kadon kawai ka kemi rengkat bat ka kun ke jongka ki bayadi sok turun harut surok.
In my entire life, I have never had such a delicious pineapple.
Silanter jingim jonga ngampat mat usok turun ubat yang kumutu bamene.
In fact, immediately after I had it, I called up my mother and I said, I'm bringing some of the best pineapple in the world to you.
Hadir pangala abam ulapun ime jemu huang bangan sawadra sok turun ye biru sok turun ubat yang tam hapertai lese.
So two or three small questions. One, why isn't the best tasting pineapple in the world available to the entire world?
Tang maka cikli kalong kene balai usok turun ubat yang hakapertai balai umla balai sikiwi pat dibenta jong kapertai.
Why is the best pineapple in the world not being sold in London, New York, Tokyo, in these places?
Balai ini usok turun ubat yang tam hakapertai amla bandi ha London ha New York bat kiwi gijakan.
And why are the farmers and that mother and daughter not benefiting from the sale of your pineapples to the rest of the world?
Balai kini ki sikni sikun ka kini bat ka kun kim yo nong nakabadi sok turun sakil balik kuwi ki benta jang kapertai.
Because we have not, or the infrastructure has not been developed to send that pineapple to the rest of the world.
Let's say kadau kalong ba amman ka jing penbit penbiang banpa ai kini ki sok turun ki jangi sakiwi ki benta jang kapertai.
The entire population of Meghalaya can become wealthy on what you produce here.
Kinong song dong keri India dong ka jela Meghalaya kila man reus pa tang na ki marrep ki bapi penmi na kade ka jela.
You gave me oranges, I haven't tasted them yet, but I am convinced that they will be among the best oranges in the world.
Kila ayanga ki sok turun ngampat yolat banbam handrai ngangi udai usok nyamtra ubat yang tam kapertai.
And I think it is important that we develop a vision for Meghalaya that achieves some of these things.
Ban ngangi ni dei ban thau kalap kalanti kumno ban penpoi kini ki jing anut ki jongi hangne hapo Meghalaya.
I want to conclude by saying I am your soldier in Delhi.
Ngakwa ban penkut de ka baong ngadai sipai jongpi hadeli.
Whatever you need from me in Delhi, I will always try and deliver to you.
Kano ka bapidon kam nanga na Delhi ngan presyang manle kat bangala ban penpoya kata ka jinga anut ke jongpi.
And I want to have a loving relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Ban ngakwa bandon ka jinga dei ke basno tenat bat kinong sinong jong ke jela Meghalaya.
And that is why I have come here.
Bat dei na takadaw ngalawan sa kane ka jaka.
I'd like to conclude by saying, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी है.
Ngakwa ban penkut Hapdeng ka yau ka hat jong ka jing isi jing pihun ngide ban pli ka dukan jong ka jing e ka jing sotolan.
And I want to leave you with a commitment that we will never ever allow anyone to damage your history, your tradition, your language, your religion, your way of life.
Makwa ban ni no nang ni dak bakular ban ong ngin ya kun ban penne ya ka history ke jong pi ki tin ke tuli ke jong pi ki culture ke jong pi habani le nang ni.
Thank you very much. Good night to you. Kumkagat Ganta Julia Sakti Baro Rahul Gandhi. Nako abati baro bintune ikilat itu mobile ke jompi. Pertanyaan itu mobile ke jompi. Kumkagat Ganta Julia Kumkagat Julia Sakti. Kejap kejap lagi. Bersama dengan Rahul Gandhi.
Pertanyaan keteng. Wah. Pertanyaan, keluar lama.